All right, guys, so welcome to today's video. Now I want to just show us this particular aspect of Leonardo, which is still the image to image generation, but there is an update and the UI has been updated. When you go to image generation, it's kind of when you're used to the previous one, it's different right now. And if you want to go back to the older UI, you just click on this legacy mode. So as it is, in the last video where we talked about image to image generation, we didn't quite get the result we needed because one, it we didn't have access to the Alchemy V2, which is like the main aspect that helps in creating realistic photos from whatsoever it is that you present it. And in the new update, you can see two modes. There's the fast generation mode and the quality. The quality is what uses Alchemy basically, and you don't have access to it with the free version. And then I logged into this particular free account just so I could show you the difference. Now remember when we created these images, we used an image guidance and we provided it with a particular image, and the result isn't quite impressive, I must say. And now with the new UI, for you to access the image to image section, you all you need to do is click on this section where it's close to the prompt, and you click on character reference. But notice something: character reference isn't active by default. I mean, you can't get access to it when you go to this part on a free account. So for you to be able to use character reference or image to image right now, you all you need to do also is to either go to one of your generations or go to the publicly generated images. Just click on any and then select image to image. And if you want to change the image to yours, then you click on this and you upload your particular image, which in the end will still give us result from the previous one. And then now let's log into an account that has access to Alchemy V2. All right, so we're now signed into an account that has like the premium features enabled. And let's say we want to generate an image as we've done before. Now, when you observe, you will see that the image generation, when the generation mode, we now have access to quality and we have access to the fast mode, and quality is what we are after. So now, just as we've done before, but this using the new UI, all we need to do is click on this section and then character reference. Now you can view more to see other things that you have access to, but this is image to image. But what we want to do in order to generate consistent looking characters, I mean characters having the same face with the features you give it, it's when you go to character reference. And then now under character reference, all we need to do again is to upload the images that we want to use. So in this case, I am uploading a particular image of mine, and this is a picture. So we're going to use this picture as the reference, and from this also you can choose. Remember when we used to just select numbers on a scale as to okay, high or low? Now this just has 3, which tells you okay, how far of the reference do you want to like get from the image. Do you want it to get like a high reference from the image, meaning just everything looking a bit exact, meaning you are also restricting the creativity of the AI, or low. So I love leaving it in mid, and from here we can just generate something. Let's say I want to convert me to a warrior. Let's just say looking fierce with a shield and armor from the medieval times. All right, now if you if this prompt like just doesn't look like something that's so detailed to you, for you, you can also click on this to improve the prompt, and this makes total sense because I've already given it an idea of what I want it to do. And then to be able to have more details, all I need to do is click on improve prompt and just take a look at how it has done that. A valiant knight, sorry, in medieval armor exits. So this is so detailed, and I can't even wait to see the output. Now, since we want to make sure like it has a similar face with this, we're going to leave it on quality. Here you can just adjust the dimensions, and I'm just gonna leave it on large, or let's just leave it on portrait. Then sorry, on landscape. Then you choose the number of images you want to generate. Let's leave it on 4 so that we can have like varieties. And then one other thing that I love doing is choosing from the preset. I love using portrait perfect because most of the image like images that I want to like have a copy of are those of human figures. So the portrait perfect has always worked well for me. So you can also go with cinematic keynote, which is usually the default, or just choose whatever works for you. And yeah, so from here all we need to do is generate and wait for it. So I'll be back when it's done. All right, so the results are in, and okay, I am looking so tough and so fierce, just like I described. But what do you think of this? This result really matches the output, I mean, with the input that I have given it. Someone can just look at this and know, hey, is that you? And then this is so impressive, and that was why I thought I should share it with you guys, even though I have already done a video on image to image generation. But as the updates keep coming, I'm still going to keep updating you guys. So what do you think of this? I mean, would you give it a try? What do you think also of the new interface? I mean, it looks very easy to use, I must say also, and you just need to click some buttons and get some things done. So let me know in the comment section what you think and what you might probably want to see me do with Leonardo. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.